Okay, let's continue. I will run again our Docker compose that we made last time. Docker compose up build. Okay. As you see here, the U2B, it's our path and default. The system will make a random, make a network for our Docker compose. So all these containers are in one network by this name. Uh, let's give a name to Docker Compose. Let's Docker RMI. Okay, Docker Compose. And here we will write network and then the default, if you remember, it was U2B, the underline default. So the default, what we want to change the name of default to give a name to the default network. Oh God, name, which name? It will be my net. Save it. Let's try to run it again. Up. Additional property. Okay, network. Default name. Maybe that's the problem. Do UV. So the problem was here. 1, 2, 3, save, and Docker Compose up, build, and on the background. Let's start. Oh God. Let's start. So you see the network is mynet as we give a name here. So if you can configure this network, you can connect inside each container to the other container using this network. So let's check which network we have. Either mynet, Docker network ls. So we have mynet here, we have my default, we have pg2, it should be here, the host and bridge will be here. Let's remove some Docker network, remove, which one to remove? My default, my net, oh, my net is using my default pg to remove it. Docker network ls. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's inspect what we have. Let's inspect my net. What we have here. The network name is mynet. Here we have a myPHP. Where is my PHP? My PHP is here. And the myPHP IP address is this one. Then we have here my nginx by this IP address. That's my nginx. Let's check just like check a ping, show 10 time 172 30 0 and 2. So we have a ping, we are connecting, and we can use this network. I hope this video and all these videos was useful for you. Waiting for your comments and your like or dislike. And you have any question, please let me know. If I have an answer, I will answer. If not, I will learn and I'll make a new video. Thank you for watching. See you soon.